This Tona is gonna get shot by 3 different guns. Hold on, we gotta... Alright, hold on. What guns do we got here?
Shotty, baby. Oh,
Yeah.
I got 2.
Guns.
Delta Elite Colt Auto 10mm.
The Desert Eagle plastic.
John, come on.
Alright, dude. Uh-oh, wait a minute.
You got a bet. John, come on! John's a dumb shit, by the way.
Get everybody shooting from behind. Like, go
Oh, okay, I see it. Hold on.
Dude, that's so close.
Why don't you get a side view of him?
Dude, that's so close. Wait.
Okay, let's back up a little.
No, stay here.
Say on 3.
I'll say on 3. 1, 2, 3. You got to the ground before I shot, and it got you in the neck. Let me see it. Tell me.
Dude, where's that?
Oh no, dude, but that stomach hit me hard. Where is it? Holy shit! Oh! Right there. Stop! Dude, it's not funny. It hurt, man. I'm not laughing. Oh my. Oh man.